Okay, we're recording now. So, all right, here we go. Okay, so we want to talk about the company logo project. And so by now, hopefully you are seeing my screen. These were the things that I wanted you to make sure and do. Okay, so for you, Briseis, I would say I'm going to go ahead and share this link. I'm going to put it into today's agenda so you can go back and copy it. I don't have the time to sit and we'll let you copy it right now. So just please make sure you copy this into your notes, okay? Because you're going to need this to do the project. You guys, the rest of you, have your notes out because I'm going to be asking you. I'm going to play dumb and you're going to be telling me what I need to do for the project, okay? And so let me put this into our agenda for today and then we'll get started. Meanwhile, the first thing I should probably do is open Photoshop, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. And let me share that because I need to share everything I'm doing so that this video will be worthwhile. Again, let me just put the notes here for Briseis or whoever else didn't get them copied. So here comes the link. Pew, pew.
Star Wars.
Yes. I put a lot
Baby
of
Yoda.
Baby Yoda. Man, that Mandalorian show is getting very good. Okay, so it's there. So Briseis, you can go ahead and access those notes. The rest of you are going to coach me through it. Okay. So first things first, I got to open Photoshop, right, guys?
Yeah.
So Photoshop is going to open. And be ready to tell me what the first thing is. Now, real quick, before this even opens, what kind of company should we do here?
Something with like tech or maybe a guitar.
Couple of supercharger that can charge your phone really fast.
Okay, so maybe a tech company that
Like a
makes
studio?
products for your phone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we kind of know from our notes yesterday, tech companies, we kind of saw a lot of tech companies. What color did tech companies tend to use?
Blue.
Blue, right? Because
Yeah.
they establish trust. If you look at your notes from the color, you should kind of have those ready to go because we're going to have to give a justification for why we're doing this.
Mr.
Okay.
DM,
Yes.
mute.
What happened?
Oh, my computer's back. I'm gonna shut it down.
All right. Well, we're going to continue here. So now we're on Photoshop. Okay, guys, where do I go to start? You tell me.
You go to file.
File.
File?
Open.
No. How about new?
New.
You press new.
Okay, so we're going to go to new. Now that I'm on new, what do I do now?
You make sure that it's 11 inches wide and 8 by 5 inches tall
Cool.
and 16-bit.
Good. All that looks pretty good, right? So we're good here.
Yeah.
I can even put Mr. D's company.
Logo project.
I'm going to say company logo, right? So I already have it set.
Okay.
And I hit create. I click on create. And now we should get a box that's like a rectangle, right? So hopefully this is going to go. It's being a little slow. So bear with me. Okay, so what kind of a name? Okay, well, what do you guys think as far as a name? What could we call it?
Mr. D's Tech Center.
How about something? Well, you guys said you wanted something about
Media Tech.
Well, not Media Tech. How about
Super Tech?
Okay, how about Super Tech? I like that. We can kind of make a play off of maybe Superman.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Super Tech. All right, I like it. All right, well, tell me this. I want to put some words on the screen. How do I start?
You have to press the T on the side.
Okay, good. So we are going to press the T right here in the toolbar. Okay, so now I should be able to start typing my words, right?
Yeah.
And I'm going to do it all going across. And so here we go. I'm going to click on the screen and I'm going to type super. Is it 2 words or 1 word, guys? You tell me.
2 words.
Super Tech. Okay. Oh, it doesn't fit the screen. What can I do?
You can move it to where you want it.
Yeah, let's click on the move tool and let's move it. And remember too, if I want to really make this fit in the screen, it probably shouldn't have it like bleeding off the side, right? So do you guys remember where I can go to shrink this or make it bigger?
You have to go back to the T.
I can go back to the T and I can do that, right? Another thing I can do is I can
Edit
edit.
and free transform.
Very good. Edit, free transform. And now I can make this way bigger. I can scrunch it in so I have a little bit of edge, right? Remember too that line, that purple line tells you that that's the center of your screen, right? So we probably want this centered. Okay. I don't like I like the size of it, but you know what? I don't like this font. How can I change the font type? Any ideas?
You click on text.
Uh-huh. I click on the T. Oh, I want to say apply here first. Yeah.
Then you go on the top left.
Well, I got to highlight the words again.
Oh.
Remember, I got to highlight the words. Otherwise, it's not going to change anything. And again, where my words, the fonts are, remember they're up here.
Yeah.
Up here at the top. So let's see if we can agree on a font that maybe might be better. What do you guys think? Let me see if you see any you like.
That one,
Which one?
the big one, that's a sample.
Well, this one we already were on. How about I want something that looks a little bit more like flat.
Elephant? I think it says elephant. I'm not sure.
Elephant?
Yeah. It was with the E.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, how about this one, engravers?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That one's
Pretty
good.
cool, right? Oh, shoot, it shrunk
Yeah.
down. Again, what I can do, I can go edit,
Free transform.
transform, and now I can spread it out. I don't want to go too far, and I can make sure it's centered. I can make it bigger, right? Taller. I want it to fill up most of the screen. Okay. Now
Mr.
you
D,
guys, yes.
if it's called super text, shouldn't you do like for the colors like red and blue?
Yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. I think we should do the inside colors of the letters blue, and then we'll do an outside. So if I want to change the color of the letters, what can I do?
You have to press on the T.
Yeah, I got to go back on the T. Oh, click apply after I do edit, free transform.
You go to layer.
Okay, yeah, I'm on my layer. I'm on that layer. I got to highlight the words again, right?
Yeah.
And let's highlight the words. And now to change the color of the words, I go up here on the top, remember?
Yeah, where that red box is at.
And we're going to pick a nice blue. How about that blue?
Yeah.
Okay,
That's
that's good. Okay, we got a nice blue. And the other thing I think we want to do is we want to give it a red outline. Remember? We said kind of Superman has blue with red, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how can I get to the change? How can I make the outline?
You can go to layer,
Good.
and then you go to layer style,
Very good.
and then you can do stroke.
Stroke. Good. And then from there, the formatting should come up, the formatting tool. Now, right now, it's going to do an outline of green. I don't want green. We said we wanted red, right?
Yeah.
You have to
I
press
can
on the
check.
color.
Yeah, I can press on the color and I can go to red. And now I have a red, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. Again, you can change the size of it. So maybe I want to make it, how much do I want for that? Do I want to go like this?
Not too much.
Not too much. No, because you want to see it, right?
Yeah.
How about like that?
Like that.
Okay, cool. Okay. According to your notes, what else should I have?
The bevel and emboss.
Yeah, we need to do bevel and emboss. How can I get to bevel and emboss?
You highlight the text.
Okay, I can highlight the text again.
And then you go to layer.
Layer.
And then
Layer
you go to layer style.
Layer styles.
Then you go to
and then
bevel and emboss.
Cool. Okay. And you're right. We went to bevel and emboss. Now you got to wait for the menu will pop up. Okay. Now again, you can pick. Now you guys tell me this was emboss. Here's outer bevel. Here's inner bevel. Here is, oh, that looks kind of supery. Here's emboss. Here is pillow emboss. I don't really like that. And here's stroke emboss. Which one do you guys like?
I think the one that looks like a
Inner emboss.
Inner bevel, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. No, not that one.
Yeah. This.
That looks kind of cool, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, now, according to your notes, what else should I do?
If you,
Because that's okay, but I kind of want to make it stand out, right?
you
Has
can
to
add a
make
3D
sense.
effect.
Yeah, how can I add a 3D effect?
You can go to,
Well, let me give you a hint. We got to highlight the words.
Yeah.
Now, there's a couple things up here. We didn't even see this last time, but you can create
Oh.
3D from text. You can also do the text warping tool. Which one would you guys like to do?
text warping tool.
Okay, we'll do the text warping tool. For this one, let's do like a bulge, but not
Whoa.
that much, right? That's too
Yeah,
much.
too
Yeah.
much.
Super tech. How about that?
Like that.
Yeah.
You like
yeah.
that? Okay, we got that. How about let's experiment a little bit with 3D? What does this do?
It changes your whole setup.
It changes the whole setup?
Yep.
Andale. Well, let's see how it sets it up. Let's see. You're about to create a 3D layer. Would you like to switch to 3D workspace? Oh boy, let's see what this does. And again, if we don't like this, we can always go edit, undo, and it'll take us back. But we're experimenting right now.
Yep.
Wow. Whoa.
Oh, your computer is about to lag a lot, maybe.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I've never even done this.
Yeah.
Wow, so we can bring it forward and backward in space. That looks pretty cool already, right?
Yep.
This is kind of like Motion. Motion has stuff like this on Apple. I can tilt it. I guess there's some different controls we can do. Ooh, I don't want to mess this up. I think that's pretty cool. Now, what happened to all my colors? That's the only question I wonder. Yeah, I don't know. That might be something we look at for the next time, because honestly, I haven't played with this a lot. So I'm just going to go for now. I'm going to go edit, undo. I'm just going to say step back. Let's see if that takes us back to how we had it, because I lost all my colors. I lost everything. And
No, it doesn't. I tried.
it doesn't what?
Go back.
It won't let you go back?
No, I tried.
Uh-oh.
That's why I told you it changes your whole setup.
It did change my whole setup, didn't it?
Yep.
Okay, well, that's interesting. Because again,
That's why I
this is something-
said it's. I don't like it.
I do still have my layers here. Let's go with this then. I think we're good here. Let's just say we like that, and let's see what happens if we export it. Now, according to the rules that we had, I'm gonna see if I can just say one more time, if I can go stroke. Let's see if I can put red on this on the outside. Oh, look at that. Whoa, look at that, suckers.
Yay.
Whoa.
That's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, cool. Well, we got that. I think we have everything else we need, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so
But
then,
we need to have it as a PNG 24.
okay, so how can I do that?
You can go to
File.
File. Yes, then.
Save as.
Save as.
Oh,
no
Export.
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 Save for web.
save
For
for
web,
web.
web.
Okay, and then we should get a little preview. Look at that. That is cool. I've never done 3D with this. That's a neat, cool thing. Okay, which of these do I want? GIF?
No, PNG
No,
24.
PNG.
Very good. We want PNG 24, and we want to say save. And what I want to do is I want to save it on my desktop so I can find it, right?
Or music.
Nah, desktop's probably good, because that way you know for sure where you have it. And I'm going to call it my name, Mr. G. I'm going to say company logo. Okay. And I'm going to save it. And that is it. And now I can go to Canvas and I can turn it in, right?
Yep.
But remember, on Canvas, you're going to have to explain to me in the comments the reasons why we picked what we picked, right? Why did I pick these colors? Why did I do the way I did it, right? So you're gonna have to give me
Yeah.
about a paragraph explanation. The reason why we chose blue was because blue is for trust, and it tends to be a color used with tech companies, as we saw. The reason why we pick red is because that's part of Superman's outfit. It also gets people excited. It grabs your attention, right?
Yeah.
So that's why we did the 2 colors. So I would just write that out and then I would turn it in with my project and I would be done. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So pretty cool today. I think we got to experiment with some different things. I think hopefully you guys understood what we wanted to do here. And let's see our final product, shall we? Our final
See.
product came out just like this. This is what it turned out when we were done. And again, I know this was just our first try. We did this really fast,
Whoa.
but it's pretty cool. And I've never done 3D with
That looks
Photoshop.
like something from the beginning of a movie when they title it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
It
does.
even has shadow.
Yeah, it even put in its own shadow. It's pretty cool. And again, I think if you guys experiment with that, you might be able to do some really cool stuff. All right, I'm gonna stop recording this so that we can actually, I'm gonna put it up on Canvas for you guys, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna